They love that hat. There's like a million flies on that hat. Look at it. Look how many flies there are. This dream sequence is supposed to be like super romantic. Literally there are flies crawling all over every inch of this camera and her. This is his dream sequence where to him, he sees you like you're this beautiful princess. Your singing brings him up to you.
So I can come to you. Okay? Yeah, basically we're shooting a movie called Wrestling Mongolia. My character is really uncomfortable in the film. He's nerdy, he's not good with girls. This girl who I fall in love with at the travel agency, she just appears to me in this dream, and just before I'm supposed to kiss her, I wake up and a camel is licking me and the other character is spooning me.
Camera's rolling. Action! Pull hard. Pull hard. Talk to it. Cut.
Dude, I got horse snot on me in that shot.
Yeah, me, I got horse snot all over me.
Horse snot on camera lens. That's good luck in Mongolia.
Dude, the horse was headbanging the whole shot, dude.
Yeah, it's gonna look kind of weird, man.
Then don't get the horse if he's doing that.
I cut out the horse. Oh God!
Andy, I'm so tired.
Good, I got a little camera shadow in.
Yep. I want to go home.
Soon you will go home.